Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to build a budget in Google Sheets. So it's a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So if you want to make a budget spreadsheet, you just navigate over to Google Docs or docs.google.com and then select the hamburger icon in the top left corner that says main menu when you hover over it. And you want to select Sheets. At the top, there should be something that says Start a new spreadsheet in the template gallery. You might have options for annual or monthly budget. If you want to expand additional template options or if you don't see it listed in here, you can select the template gallery button, which will then present a drop-down. You can see additional items in this list to select from. So we're going to go ahead and select the annual or monthly budget, again, depending on your preference. Once you've made your selection, you can go ahead and adjust certain expenses in here, which will update the corresponding bar graphs as well as numerical values for here for income and expenses. Creating an income statement for the month. Again, this can be done on the month-to-month or annual, again, depending on the template you want to use. And you can create other templates as well. This is just a very basic one for most of you guys that should be pretty helpful. And you can also select the transaction sheet as well to then actually go ahead and list out categories in here by income as well as expenses. So definitely a nice little tool here, nice template that Google offers. And as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.